Discuss this question. The question is calculate the hydrostatic pressure for water moving with constant velocity at a depth of 5 meters from the surface. So let's solve this. Here solution given H or you can say Z is equal to 5 meter, where H or Z is basically used to denote height. So height is given 5 meter and we know that pressure is equal to rho into G into H. So put the value of rho for water is 1000 into G 9.81 into value of H is given 5 meters, so 5. When you calculate you will get 49050 Newton per meter square value of pressure. Just convert it into kilonewton, so it will become 49.05 kilonewton per meter square. So this is our answer. Let's discuss another question. The question is given the shear stress at point in the liquid is found to be 0.03 Newton per meter square. The velocity gradient at the point is 0.15 sec inverse. What will be its viscosity in poise? And the option are A 20, B 2, C 0.2 and D 0.5. So let's see the solution of this question. So first of all we will write the given data. So given here you can see shear stress at the point in liquid is found to be so shear stress is given, and you know, as we can know that shear stress is given by tau. So tau is given 0.03 Newton per meter square. Also you can see the velocity gradient at the point is given. So you know that velocity gradient is denoted by du by dy. So it is given 0.15. So we have to calculate here viscosity. Viscosity is noted by mu. So by formula we know that shear stress is equal to mu du by dy, and value of shear stress is given 0.03. So put here 0.03 is equal to mu du by dy is 0.15. So from here mu is equal to 0.03 divided by 0.15. When you calculate this you get 0.2 Newton second per meter square or 0.2 Pascal second. But in the question you can see that the value of viscosity in poise, what will be its viscosity in poise? So we have to convert Pascal second into poise. So remember one formula, 1 Pascal second is equal to 10 poise, and 1 poise is equal to 0.1 Pascal second. Remember this formula. This is very important formula for conversion of Pascal second to poise and poise to Pascal second. So let's convert 0.2 Pascal second into poise. So we simply multiply it by 10. So it becomes 0.2 into 10 is equal to 2. So 2 will be the answer. So here you can see option B. Option B is the correct answer. That's all. Thank you.